Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to use CapCut. So if you're a beginner and you want to know how to make use of your CapCut app, the first thing you have to do is to download the CapCut app through Play Store if you're making use of Android, and through App Store if you're making use of iPhone. The next thing you have to do is to tap on it in order to log in. Then tap on the new project or the plus icon close to the new project. Tapping on it gives you access to select the type of videos that you want to make use of. Let me say I want to take this video here. CapCut Video Editors allows you to take more than one video, but for a start I'll be taking this first video, and it also gives you opportunity to crop the video. If you want to crop it, you can see the option there to crop it before adding it to your CapCut Video Editor. So you just have to tap on add in order to add it to my video editor. So on the face of my video editor, there are many features that I have to consider. Going to the top icons on my editor, you are going to see the first icon there, which is like X. That is the exit icon. We have the help icon, and we'll have the set resolution icon that gives us a standard phase of our video. It gives us a high quality video. We have the frame rate. This part of this icon is very important and should not be played with, because if you by any chance play with it, it might affect your video presentation and appearance. We have the last one, which is export. Export allows you to export your video after editing it to other apps of your choice, and even to the phone device. So the next one, you're going to see your video showcasing at the screen of your video editor, where you're going to see how to edit it and what you want to do. All you are doing will be showcasing on the screen of your video editor. The icon below the screen will have the first icon here. This icon allows you to expand and reduce your video. If you want to expand it, you can just tap on it in order to expand it. If you want to reduce it, you can just tap on it again in order to reduce it. We'll have the next one, which allows you to play or pause the video. We'll have the third one close to it, which allows you to copy the link of that particular video you are editing. This left and right C icon allows you to cancel the split you made. That is, if you do something like this, maybe on your video you don't like the particular part of that video, you want to cut it off, you just have to tap on that particular part like this, tap on split and delete it. Now if for some reasons you don't want to delete again, you want to get back that particular part, you just have to tap on the left C icon there, and it will undo the delete. This is called undo icon. But if you want to remove the delete, you want to remove the delete again, you just have to tap on the right C icon in order to undo the delete. Now coming to this part of your audio, now you are going to see the cover page, kind of intro. This is my intro. So CapCut Video Editor allows you to add more than one video to your CapCut. You can add more than one video. You can see I just added one video. I can add more than two videos if I want. So the next thing I have to do if I want to add more than one video is to tap on the plus icon and select the particular video of my choice that I want to add. If I want to crop it, I just have to crop it. If I don't want, I just have to tap on add. But if for some reasons I don't want to make use of this particular video, I just have to tap on this icon at the top left corner in order to go back and select the particular video I want to make use of. So you just have to tap on add. Now, looking at these videos I've added here so far, if I want to edit them, the first one is to, if I want to add text, I have to tap on this text icon. We have different icons below here. We have the edit icon, we have the audio icon, we have the text icon, we have the overlay. This overlay allows you to add a kind of subscription animation to your video if you want one like this. You just have to tap on the overlay, tap on add, tap on that particular video you want to add at the top of your video, minimize it to your choice. After minimizing it, you can just leave it and it's going to be just fine. We have the effect icon, we have the caption icon, the asset ratio, the filter, the adjust icon. This adjust icon allows you to sharpen your video and make it more brighter. So you just have to tap on the sharpen icon there and the option there, and then make sure that you increase it to maximum of 40. Maximum of 40. We also have the sticker icon. If you want to make use of stickers, you want to add sticker in order to present your video in a very nice and presentable way, you can just select any of the sticker of your choice and make use of. Sticker makes your video more educative. You just have to select any of them and make use of. Then we also have the background icon. This is one of the icon I like most because it makes the presentation, my video presentation, very nice and colorful. So you just have to select any of the color you want and tap on apply to all. So when you tap on apply to all, it's going to apply to all clips of your video and you have to just take it down. Now you can also add a title if you want. You can remember I told you have the text icon that allows you to type in, so you just have to tap on it and tap on add text. If you want to add text at the beginning of your video, you add text when you are introducing the video. That is when you add text. Let me say love. Let me say love is my title. I just have to add style in order, tap on style in order to make your video look more presentable. Then you can tap on style to get the particular color that will attract. You can see the different other features here. We have the stroke, we have the glow, we have the background that gives your video, your text, a good presentation. We have the shade if you want to shade your text. We have the spacing, we have the bold Italy, and we have the cast. So these are different features that can be found on text in order to beautify our text on video, CapCut Video Editor. So guys, I hope this helps you to understand how to make use of your CapCut as a beginner. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.